Integrated agriculture system. Guys, today it is our topic and the picture depicts the following: how it can be managed or the system how it works. Integrated farming system IFS. The International Organization of Biological Control describes the integrated farming according to the European standard as a farming system where high quality of organic food, feed, fiber and renewable energy are produced by using resources such as soil, water, air and nature as well as regulating factors to farm sustainably and with as little polluting inputs as possible. There are different components of integrated farming system. Some of them are field crops, crop production, vegetables, fruit cultivation, poultry farming, livestock integration, duckery, aquaculture, agroforestry, beekeeping, mushroom cultivation, and the picture depicts the some of them. Principles. Why we should follow such type of system? There are certain principles which we should look at. The first one is producing sufficient high quality food, fiber and industrial raw materials. Second one, meeting the demands of society. Third one, maintaining a viable farming business. Fourth one, caring for the environment. The last but not the least, sustainable management of resources. Integrated farm management includes different type of managements like water management, energy efficiency, animal husbandry, crop health and protection, soil management and fertility, community management, landscape and natural conservation. Such type of management includes in it. There are certain number of problems which we encountered during integrated farming system. Soil erosion, soil acidity for crops, high farm input cost, limited post harvest facilities for animal and aquaculture, high cost of animal feeds, solid waste and wastewater problems, fish pond water and soil pollution, low stocking density. Integrated agriculture system can help in tackling the farmer distress as it focuses on some of the following points which will let us know how farmer can be helpful with such type of system. The first one is utilizing the byproducts. The second one is maximization of the yield. Third one is rejuvenation or amelioration of system productivity. The fourth one is reducing the use of chemical fertilizers. And the last one, which includes increase in natural resources. It is an effective tool for northeastern farmers because integrated farming system suitable particularly for hilly regions of the northeastern region can be adopted. Some are as integrated fish cum pig farming, integrated fish cum duck farming, integrated fish farming chicken, integrated fish farming cum cattle farming, integrated fish farming cum rabbit farming, integrated fish farming cum agriculture. And Sikkim being organic state is a good example for such type of the systems. It is a driving curricular agriculture as it focuses on management and productive use of climate, nature, society and economy as it focuses on efficiency of energy, water and community. So we came to conclusion that integrated farming system, it helps in real sense. It will help in lifting the economy of agriculture and standard of living of the farmers of the country as a whole. And the second one, all stakeholders should make continuous efforts to build farmer capacities for adoption of productive, remunerative, eco-friendly and self-sustainable farming system. Thank you for watching the video.